everyone and welcome back to my magician school. This is the first Christmas trick, but it is more than a great trick because this is 3-in-1. Christmas card, great gag, and the easiest trick in the world. Here's a Christmas magic trick for you. Just tap the card 3 times on the cross and say abracadabra. Abracadabra. Hey presto, the $10 note that I had put in this card has totally disappeared. Merry Christmas. Alright, so what you need to do for this trick is you gotta go to my website, or actually to the My Magician School website, here, and you are going to get the download for this printout mold. I got a whole set of them here, set it up for Christmas. So what you're going to do once you have it, you're gonna see this big bit here. You're just going to fold along the top like that. Then you're going to fold along the side like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut the bottom part. You're going to be left with this. You're going to cut. Be careful. You're going to take one finger, put it right next to the end, and cut right next to the finger, not your finger. I just did this really quick, but you can be more precise. I know that looks bad, but you can just say it's a bit to catch on and hold it there so you don't cover the image. That's a good reason. And you just go through that gag. Alright, that's it. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Bye!